Are you fed up of having to press skip on ads when surfing YouTube? I have found an app that will do it for you automatically. If you're new to this channel, my name is Rachel and it's all about easy how-to-tech guides, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Open the Play Store and search for Auto Skip Ads. Be careful here that you select Auto Skip Ads by Hoon Party. There are quite a few skippers, but this is the one that I have found that works the best. When you open it for the first time, you will need to click on Get Permission to allow the app to run in the background. Then click on Installed Apps. Click on Auto Skip Apps. And then finally click on the two toggles to turn the auto skip on. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button below and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe and join us.